Hi guys, how's it going? Super Dirt Car Series meeting is taking place right now. So while they are doing that, there's Larry White getting ready to go to the meeting right now. There's Matt Williamson. So when they're on their way up there, we figured we'd go around and show you some of the cars. Super Dirt Car Series race here today at Thunder Mountain Speedway up on the beautiful mountain here in Center Lisle, New York. So we'll show you some of the cars that are here. Packed pit area. I didn't want to hit you. Not a good way to start the day. We'll go down here, we'll turn around, and you can see the cars on the other side. Big thanks to Timberwolf Firewood Processing and Equipment, locations in Marathon and Syracuse. So if you're in the firewood business, they got some pretty crazy stuff. We're going to go out and see some of that at some point. They're going to show us how that stuff works. They got a unit that goes for a couple $100,000. At one point, we'll take a lap around the racetrack too, so you guys can see. It's one of the nice things about coming here to Thunder Mountain. Spoon hours let me do almost anything I want. It's great. So when you get the opportunity, you take advantage of it. All right, so we'll turn around, we'll go back the way we came, and then we'll go through the other part of the pit area. And look at the view down here, guys, right? I mean, how beautiful is that, right? Like I said this before, this is the kind of place where if you buy a house up here and you're on the mountain up here, oh, the door came open again. You don't even bother putting pictures on the wall, you just put windows. What are you guys doing here? Nice to be able to see a race this weekend. Canandaigua right now. There's some people that are just getting here. It's about 5:15 right now. We got here a little after 3, and there were already probably at least 40 cars in the pit area already. Got a lot of pre-race interviews, so make sure to look forward to those. Hello. My favorite time. Cars are fired up, you're smelling race fuel. It's exciting. Up here, take a peek at the driver's meeting, which is going on right now. That's usually when I do things like this, because I know that I can't get the guys, so I might as well see the cars. So there's the driver's meeting. Beautiful day for racing. here in Center Lisle, honoring the memory of Dale Planck. There's one of those Guerreris. You got to watch out for them. You don't know where they're going. They had equipment used to work. I don't want to wait for me. Hey, how's it going? Yes, they are. Grandstand area. Turning radius isn't that tight.
Somehow.
It's pretty tight turning radius with this thing, but not quite that much.
No.
So thanks everybody. Again, remember, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Gonna have some other stuff up from this, so make sure to check that out. Beautiful day finally in New York State. Hope you guys have fun. Again, thanks everybody for watching. If you have a request, send us a message. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.